Nippon Paint Flex 400 waterproofs concrete permanently and effectively from Nippon Paint.
The contract agreement has been signed today at the Presidential Secretariat with Sinopec Fuel Oil Lanka Private Limited and its parent company in China and Singapore for a long-term contract on the import, storage, distribution, and sale of petroleum products in Sri Lanka. The deal with Sinopec, a state-owned Chinese company, was reached months after the two sides commenced their negotiations, and Sri Lanka approved a proposal in March to liberalize the fuel retail marketing in the country with more players from China, Australia and the US. Sri Lanka's fuel retail market was a state monopoly under the Ceylon Petroleum Corporation until 2003, when the Indian Oil Company was allowed to operate. Negotiations have been completed with Sinopec Fuel Oil Lanka Limited and its parent company in China and Singapore for a long-term contract on important storage, distribution and sale of petroleum products in the island nation, the statement issued by the President's office said. In March, the Cabinet of Ministers had granted approval to award licenses to China's Sinopec, Australia's United Petroleum and RM Parks of the USA, in collaboration with multinational oil and gas company, Shell plc, to enter the fuel retail market in Sri Lanka. Thereby, they are be granted a license to operate for 20 years to import, store, distribute and sell petroleum products in Sri Lanka. In June 2022, the Cabinet of Ministers had green-lighted the proposal to open up Sri Lanka's fuel import and retail sales market to companies from oil-producing nations. For more latest news, subscribe to FTTV.